हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? हाउ आर यू ऑल? आर यू ऑल गुड? एंजॉयिंग समर वेकेशन? Okay, so today we will learn one EVS chapter. Houses we live in. Yes. So we are going to read and know houses we live in. So we are living in houses, right? We are living with our parents, right? Yes. So why we need house? Can you tell me? People need shelter to stay. Yes. For their safety purpose from bad weather like rain, cold, heat, animals. Yes or no? So, a house protects us from storms, heavy rains, snowfalls, wild animals, thieves, and many more. So, that's why we need houses. We are living in our houses, and animals also live in their houses. Yes or no? You already know. I have already put houses of animals also. If you are small children, then you can go and check that video also. Okay. So a house is very essential to build correctly. Okay. So let's see. So look at here. How many kinds of houses are there? It's a house. Yes or no? It's a building. So many houses are there. Then here multi-storied. These are apartment. Okay. Hut. These are found in villages. Okay. Then hotel. Then bungalow, cabin, castle, chalet, colonial. There are different kind of houses. Okay. So we are going to know what are there in our subject. Okay. So we know that our house protects us from, yes, heat, cold, rain, thieves, wild animals, dirt and dust. Yes or no? So now we are going to know what are the type of houses. Yes. So there are kacha houses and there are pakka houses. We lived in pakka houses. Yes. Because we are in city, right? But those who are living in small towns or villages, okay, so they have houses like this. Okay, they have houses like this. So they are called kacha houses. Okay, and they are made up of mud, straw and leaves. If you have granny's homes in villages, then you can see these kind of houses. Or else in towns, if there is a new building or new apartment is building, then uh, before the building or apartment they build, they are going to stay in this kind of houses. Okay, so they are called temporary houses. Okay, after the building or apartment made, then they will break these houses. Okay, but we can found these houses in villages. Okay, they are not that kind of safe, but these are found in villages. Okay, so now coming to pakka houses. Okay, pakka houses means they are strong houses. I already told you they are strong houses. Yes. So they are made up of wood, bricks, cement, iron, rods and steel. Flats and bungalows are pakka houses. Now who are living in cities or towns, they are living inside a flat. Okay, apartment, flat, or bungalows means your personal house. Okay, so they are coming under pakka houses. Okay, such houses are called permanent houses. Okay, they are permanent houses, but kacha houses are temporary houses. Okay, now tent. Okay, so tent, where you find tent? whenever you are going for camping, okay, hill station or forest, you are going for a camping, okay, camp. So in that place you don't have house to stay, okay, and you are totally under the sky. So there, how can you live at night or at daytime? How can you take rest, or how can you eat your food and all? So they there you have to take tent with you. They are made up of canvas, okay. See, it is made up of canvas cloth. So these are called tent, okay. Now caravan. See, caravan. These are caravan. Caravan means it is a house on wheels. So means it's a bus car like structure, okay. So they have wheels, and inside they have house like structure. You have found each and everything inside this caravan, okay, and you can move from one place to another because it is movable, right? But you are staying in a kacha house or pakka house, you cannot move. That is in one place only, okay, and they have wheels like cars and buses, so you can move, okay. So they are called caravan, okay. Now coming to houseboat. How many of you went to Kerala or Srinagar? Now in Chilika, Odisha Chilika, we have found houseboat, okay. Houseboat means they are placing the houses placed on a boat, okay. Houses placed on a boat, they are, that's why they are called houseboat. This is a boat and this is a house. You find each and everything inside this house, but this house is on the boat, okay. That's why they are called houseboat, okay. They are also known as floating house, okay. So you can find them in Srinagar, Kerala, right now in Chilika also. Odisha, there is a place Chilika, you all knows, okay. Now coming to igloo, okay. Where you find igloo? Yes. You kids are so smart. Yes. The igloos we found in snow areas. Yes. Because it is made up of snows. So, inside these igloos, inside these houses, we can feel cool. Yes. Those who are staying in warm areas, after watching this, they also told their parents, can we go to snowfall areas? Yes, yes, I know. Okay. So, coming to, so what are the things we read right now? So, this is a small summary. Okay. What are the things needed to build a house? So, what you saw in this video? Most of us live in houses made out of bricks, cement, and steel. So they are Pakka houses, like bungalows, multi-storied apartments, duplex. They have many names. Okay, skyscrapers. Okay, and wood and glass are used to make doors and windows. Yes or no? For doors and windows, we need wood and glass. Many people use other things to make their houses, such as straw, wood, mud, and stones. Straw, wood, mud, and stones. We need it for, yes, for building kacha house. So they found in villages, okay. But those who are living in a city or town, their house is called pakka house, and their house is made up of bricks, cement, steel, okay, wood, glass, then iron, steel, okay. Now different roof of houses, okay. Houses having different kind of roofs, okay. Those houses which we can see on forest areas or hill station, they have slopy roofs, okay. Why? Because at the time of raining, the water will fall down. Okay, see, here it's written, houses on hills have sloping roofs. Now, people living in areas where it rains a lot make houses on stilts. Stilts means it's a pillar like structure. On that pillar, they are building houses. Why? Because in those areas, heavy rain is there all the time. Okay, so their houses they made after doing the stilts. Stilts are like pillars. Okay, over the pillar they made their houses. Okay, and they are also having sloping roofs because they don't want water on the roof. If the roof is uh, plain, then the water cannot go. Okay, if the roof is sloping, like sloping means slanting line, so if the roof is sloping, then the water will easily go down. Okay, people living in plains usually make houses with flat roofs, like I said. So we are staying in the houses flat roofs. Okay, we are having flat roofs, but in hill stations and forests, uh, near the forest, not forest, near the forest, and where the heavy rains all the time, then they are having sloping roofs. Okay, so I hope you understood so many things from the video. Yes or no? Okay, so do like, share, and subscribe. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, please, please, please subscribe and share with your friends. This subscription will made me happy. Okay, thank you.